Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Welcome to this English listening and motivation lesson. In this video, you will practice your English. You will also practice believing in yourself. This is not just an English lesson. This is a life lesson. Find a quiet place. Sit comfortably. Take a deep breath. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out slowly. Relax your body. Relax your mind. Now let's begin. Many people think they are not good enough. They think they are too weak. They think they are too slow. They think they are not smart. But this is not true. Every human being has power inside. Every human being has potential. Every human being can grow. You are capable of learning English. You are capable of changing your life. You are capable of becoming stronger. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to begin. Say this with me. I am capable. I am learning. I am improving every day. Your mind is like a house. What you put inside your mind becomes your life. If you put fear inside your mind, you will feel weak. If you put doubt inside your mind, you will feel small. If you put hope inside your mind, you will feel strong. Choose good thoughts, choose positive words, choose powerful ideas. Do not say, I can't. Say, I will try. It is impossible. Say, it is difficult. But I will learn. Your thoughts become your actions. Your actions become your habits. Your habits become your future. Big success does not come in one day. Big success comes from small steps every day. One word today, one sentence today, one lesson today. Do not wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is now. 5 minutes of study is better than 0 minutes. 10 minutes of practice is better than waiting forever. Small steps are not small, they are powerful. Say, I take small steps every day. My future grows every day. Failure is not shame. Failure is not weakness. Failure is part of success. When a baby learns to walk, the baby falls, but the baby stands up again. When you learn English, you will make mistakes. You will forget words. You will speak wrong sentences. And that is okay. Mistakes mean learning. Mistakes mean progress. Mistakes mean courage. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Be afraid of quitting. Say, mistakes help me grow. I am not afraid to try. Maybe in the past you failed. Maybe in the past you were afraid. Maybe in the past you gave up. But today is new. This moment is new. You can start again. Your past is a lesson, not a prison. Your future is waiting for you. You are not your mistakes. You are not your fear. You are your effort. Listen and repeat slowly. Believe to feel sure about something. Effort, trying your best. Action, doing something. Discipline, doing something every day. Confidence, believe in yourself. Fear, feeling afraid. Success, reaching your goal. Failure, when something does not work. Dream, something you want in life. Future, the time that will come. Now repeat, I believe in myself. I take action. I grow every day. My future is bright. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline stays. Discipline means doing what is important, even when you feel tired, even when you feel lazy, even when you feel afraid. Discipline builds confidence. Discipline builds strength. Discipline builds success. Say, I am disciplined. Many people around the world are learning English with you. Many people feel afraid like you. Many people dream like you. You are part of a global family of learners. You are not alone. Together we grow. Together we learn. Together we become stronger. Now take 10 seconds of silence. Think about your life. Think about your dreams. Think about your future. What kind of person do you want to become? Repeat slowly. I believe in myself. I am proud of myself. I am learning English with confidence. My mind is strong. My heart is brave. My future is bright. I will not give up. I will keep moving forward. There was a student who wanted to change their life. They were afraid, they felt small, they felt lost. But every day they studied one lesson, one video, one sentence. Days became weeks, weeks became months, and slowly the student became confident. One day the student said, I can speak, I can learn, I can grow. That student is you. Remember, you are learning more than English. You are learning courage. You are learning discipline. You are learning belief. Your journey is important. Your effort is powerful. Your future is waiting. Thank you for staying with this English motivation lesson. If this lesson helped you, like the video, share it with a friend. Subscribe for more English and life lessons.